How to get points on Scout. Are guys facing issue to purchase points on Scout? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To buy points on Scout, first of all, open Scout app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in now, just tap on your profile icon, which is usually located at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on your profile icon, then after go to points or rewards section, which you can see over here. Tap on points. After you click on points, look for the buy points option. You will see different packages with varying amounts of points and prices. For example, you can see that for 1650 points, it's gonna take $16.94. Tap on this amount or the package that you want to buy. After you select the package amount, you want to select like debit card or credit card to purchase. Once you fill up all the details, tap purchase or confirm. Once the transaction is complete, your points will be added to your account instant. And that's it guys, that's how you're going to purchase points on Scout. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.